Hello traders out there in Traderland, my name's Des here at Grok Trade. It is Wednesday, May 20th, 2015, and the market's in the day mixed. You have the S&P down, the Dow down just by a mere fraction, NASDAQ up by a mere fraction, small caps though up 0.2%. But get this, the banks off more than the rest of the major indices. This is the first time we've seen a divergence here in the banks going the opposite direction, with them lagging compared to the other major indices. Gold higher, silver fractionally lower. All right, we're here on Cablevision Systems. Cablevision Systems had a very nice pop today, more than 17% on big volume. Nice run. It was just one I was looking at. I do not hold that one. Let's take a look here at the spiders. What's interesting here is we did make a lower low. A reversal opportunity yesterday. Today we did make a lower low. However, we rallied back. We did not see follow through on today's drop. I think we're going to build a high base here. So we're seeing a whole lot of nothing at this moment. Now the thing that I'd be watching for is if we make yet another lower low and we close lower than that. If so, I'll look for a descent down here to this line and look for buy opportunities if it is conducive to do so. Take a look here at the Dow. The Dow popped up. Now we have a big, ugly, bearish engulfing reversal pattern. So this is telling me that if we do break this area of support coming across here and we close lower than today's candlestick, then chances are we will start to drop. And on the diamonds, we did have a nice spike in volume on that bearish engulfing. NASDAQ here is a huge long leg doji. Long leg doji can serve as reversal patterns. Long leg dojis can also be the start of a sideways movement. So it'd be interesting to see if this thing starts to drop or if we just start to base sideways. Small caps, the Russell's 2000. We have a ugly hanging man, and that is a reversal pattern. Hanging man. If we get a close lower than today's low, then look for a drop to commence. Take a look here at the banks. The banks have dropped here. This is a dark cloud cover, not an engulfing pattern. There is a difference between the two, and it is a tweezer top. So because of that, I think that we have a high likelihood of this dropping going into tomorrow. However, if we get a bullish candlestick going into tomorrow, then it will be set that high probability of a long high base, or at least a high base forming. Gold here, pullback. This could be ready to rally. Silver, a pullback at a support level, be looking to rally. So we could be ready to go long on precious metals. And we are going to take a look here at some stocks of interest on the tech side. BABA up 2.8%. There's a high base pop on BABA. And I had my alert. Did that go off today? Oh, it did trigger. I did not capture that. I was away from my computer or on a phone call when that triggered. CBRL triggered. It's higher. Camp triggered yesterday, but I did not trade it, and today it softened. But BABA, that was a trade that I had triggered and missed. And nice tick on volume. Very good. Anyway, let's get back to our stocks of interest and tech stocks. Looking here. GoPro up 4%. Remember I said I just wouldn't touch it because we'd be at a resistance area. See this area of resistance coming across? We closed lower than that. It had a nice run, but I'm telling you, it's already extended. Had a question come in, why do I say this is no good? Because this is already run higher. You just never buy because you could be buying the top. You always want to buy the bottom, not the top. So this is somebody else's money here, looking for a pullback, a high base, a pennant, a flag of, give me something to trade. Just because something is going higher doesn't mean there's a formation. Certainly doesn't mean I'm going to buy it. And Twitter down 2%. This is interesting. This is a low base formation that could start breaking down. We could make new lows here for Twitter, so it's something to be watching for. There you have it. Now tomorrow I'm going to be in the Windy City, and I will hope to get a video out later that evening but I am not sure if I'll be able to get back to get my video done. So anyway, just giving you a heads up on that. Catch you guys next time.